Cars are one of the most convenient things we own, but they're also one of the most expensive. From oil changes to brake pads, from flat tires to unexpected breakdowns, it feels like there's always something draining your wallet. But what if I told you that you could save thousands of dollars every single year, without being a mechanic, without fancy tools, and without spending hours in a workshop? Today, we're breaking down 10 car repair hacks that can literally save you up to $3,000 a year. Some of these are small, some are game changers, but together, they'll keep your car running longer, safer, and more affordably. And before we dive in, let me ask you this. If you could save $3,000 a year, what would you spend it on instead of car repairs? Comment below. I'd love to know. Hack number 1. Learn to change your own oil. Oil changes are the most common maintenance expense, and mechanics can charge anywhere from $70 to $150, depending on your vehicle. But here's the truth. You can do it yourself in under 30 minutes with just a few basic tools. A bottle of oil and a filter costs about $30 to $40, meaning you save at least $50 every single time. If you change oil 3 to 4 times a year, that's already $200 to $300 saved. Multiply that over 5 years, and you're looking at more than $1,000 just for learning this one skill. And here's the bonus. When you change your oil yourself, you know exactly what's going into your engine. No cheap substitutes, no hidden upsells, just fresh, quality oil that keeps your car running smoothly. If this first hack already sounds like money in the bank, hit that like button because we're just getting started. Hack number 2. Replace your own brake pads. Brake pad replacement is another huge expense at repair shops, often costing $300 to $500 per axle. But the actual pads themselves, they usually cost less than $100 a set. With a simple jack, a wrench, and a YouTube tutorial, you can replace them in about an hour. Even if you only do this once a year, that's an easy $400 saved. The safety factor is huge too, because you'll always know the condition of your brakes. No more relying on a mechanic telling you they're worn down or not. Hack number 3. Rotate your tires yourself. Most people ignore tire rotation until it's too late and they end up buying new tires earlier than they should. Shops charge $40 to $80 for a tire rotation, but doing it yourself takes just 20 minutes once you've learned how. Rotating your tires extends their life by thousands of miles, saving you $500 to $1,000 in tire replacement costs over the years. Think of it this way. Spend half an hour twice a year, and you could add 2 extra years to your tire's lifespan. That's money that stays in your pocket. Quick question. Have you ever tried rotating your own tires, or is that something you'd leave to the pros? Drop your answer in the comments. Hack number 4. Use DIY diagnostic tools. One of the most frustrating expenses for car owners is the dreaded check engine light. A mechanic will charge you $100 or more just to plug in a scanner and tell you what's wrong. But here's the hack. Buy your own OBD2 scanner for around $30, $50. Plug it into your car, connect it to your phone, and instantly know what's causing that light. Half the time, it's a simple issue like a loose gas cap or an oxygen sensor. You save the diagnostic fee, and in some cases, you can fix the problem yourself with the $20 part. This hack alone can save you hundreds each year. Hack number 5. Replace your own air filters. Mechanics love upselling air filter replacements. They'll charge you $40 to $60 for something that costs less than $10 at any auto parts store. And the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes to replace. Pop open your hood, remove the old filter, slide in the new one. Done. Do this twice a year and you're saving over $100 annually. Plus, your car breathes better, gets better mileage, and you avoid unnecessary engine strain. Hack number 6. Learn to change headlight and taillight bulbs. Ever been pulled over for a broken headlight? A shop will charge you $100 plus for something you can fix in under 10 minutes with a $15 bulb. Most cars are designed with easy access to the headlight housing. Just twist, remove, replace, and you're good to go. Do it yourself, and you're not only avoiding expensive labor costs, You're also staying safe and avoiding those annoying traffic tickets. Hack number 7. Do your own battery maintenance. Car batteries last 3 to 5 years, but many people end up replacing them sooner because of poor maintenance. A new battery can cost $200 to $300 installed. But here's the hack. Keep your battery terminals clean. Corrosion buildup causes weak starts and can trick you into thinking your battery is dead. A simple baking soda and water mix with a toothbrush can clean them in minutes. And if your battery does die, replacing it yourself takes less than 10 minutes. Buy the battery for $100 to $150, install it yourself, and save the $100 labor fee. Hack number 8. Fix small paint scratches at home. A scratch at the body shop can cost anywhere from $200 to $500 to fix, even for something small. But you can repair minor scratches yourself with a $15 to $20 scratch repair kit. Most include touch-up paint, a polishing compound, and an applicator. Spend 15 minutes on it, and you've just saved yourself hundreds of dollars. Not only does this keep your car looking sharp, but it also prevents rust from forming on exposed metal, saving you even more money down the line. Hack number 9. Keep a tire repair kit and portable air pump. One of the most common emergencies is a flat tire. A tow truck plus a shop repair can easily cost $150 to $200. But with a $25 tire repair kit and a $30 portable air pump, you can patch most small punctures yourself and refill your tire on the spot. That means no waiting, no towing fees, and no expensive roadside assistance calls. Even if you use this hack just once or twice a year, it pays for itself many times over. By the way, if you're still watching and finding these tips helpful, consider subscribing because we post new money-saving hacks every single week, and you won't want to miss them. Hack number 10. Do preventive maintenance before it costs you big. This final hack isn't about one repair. It's about building a habit. Most major car expenses, blown engines, transmission failures, overheating, come from ignoring small problems. For example, not topping off coolant can lead to overheating, costing thousands in repairs. Ignoring squeaky belts can lead to engine damage. Driving with low tire pressure destroys your tires. The hack is simple. Spend 10 minutes each month doing a quick check: oil level, coolant, brake fluid, tire pressure, and belts. These little inspections cost you nothing, but can prevent massive repair bills later. So let's add this up. Oil changes, brake pads, tire rotations, diagnostics, air filters, lights, battery maintenance, scratch repair, tire kits, and preventive checks. Do all of these, and you're saving anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 every single year. And remember, you don't need to be a professional mechanic. All it takes is a willingness to learn, some basic tools, and a little time. Every time you pop the hood or fix something yourself, you're not just saving money. You're building confidence, independence, and control over one of your biggest expenses. So the next time that check engine light comes on, or your mechanic tries to upsell you, remember, you've got 10 powerful hacks that can keep your wallet heavy and your car running like new. If you found even one of these hacks helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Share this video with a friend or family member who's tired of spending too much on car repairs. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips that save you money and headaches every week. Now let me leave you with this question. Which of these hacks are you going to try first, and why? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them.